The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is here. It's packed with significant upgrades. This latest addition to Samsung's premium lineup takes everything people loved about the Galaxy S24 Ultra and refines it even further. From design improvements to camera upgrades and enhanced video capabilities, the S25 Ultra pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can offer. In this video, we'll break down the key features that make this device stand out. Design. The design of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra builds on the foundation set by its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with key refinements that make it stand out. At first glance, the two phones may seem very similar, but a closer look reveals important improvements. Samsung has introduced flatter sides and chamfered corners, which not only enhance the phone's sleekness, but also give it a more polished and modern appearance. These subtle adjustments result in a more comfortable and ergonomic grip, making the device easier to hold despite its large size. One of the most noticeable design changes is the reduction in bezel thickness. The bezels surrounding the display are now thinner than ever, which creates a more immersive screen experience without increasing the overall size of the phone. In fact, the device's footprint is slightly smaller than that of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, even though the screen has become slightly wider. This is a great example of how Samsung has managed to maximize the display area while minimizing the bulk of the phone. Another significant improvement is the phone's weight and thickness. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is both lighter and thinner than its predecessor, weighing just 219 grams and measuring 8.2 millimeters thick. These reductions may seem minor on paper, but they contribute to a more comfortable user experience when holding or carrying the phone. Despite the lighter build, the S25 Ultra retains a premium feel in the hand, thanks to the high-quality materials used in its construction. Overall, the design improvements make the S25 Ultra a more refined, elegant, and user-friendly device. Camera upgrades. The camera setup on the Galaxy S25 Ultra remains similar to last year's model, but there's one major upgrade that stands out. The ultra-wide sensor has received a significant boost, going from 12 megapixels to an impressive 50 megapixels. This change brings a noticeable difference in the clarity and detail of wide-angle shots. Along with the upgraded sensor, Samsung has also focused on software optimizations and improved image signal processing, or ISP. These enhancements work together to deliver sharper photos and smoother video, even in challenging lighting conditions. Performance. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra processor, a major advancement in smartphone performance technology. This chipset is designed to deliver faster speeds and improved power efficiency across all tasks. One of the standout features of this processor is its ability to optimize power consumption. Despite the high performance, it manages energy more efficiently, which helps extend battery life, something particularly important for power users. This ensures that the Galaxy S25 Ultra can handle resource-heavy tasks like gaming or 4K video editing without draining the battery as quickly. In addition, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's performance in gaming is top tier. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 supports the latest gaming technologies, providing better graphics, rendering, and lower latency. This makes the phone an ideal choice for mobile gamers who want high-quality performance without lag. Overall, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is a game-changer for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, ensuring that it not only runs smoothly, but also excels in power management, camera functionality, and gaming. Feature. One of the most exciting new features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its satellite communication capability. This technology allows the phone to connect to satellites when you're outside cellular range, making it a potential lifesaver in emergency situations. While most users won't need to use this feature on a regular basis, it adds a new layer of security and peace of mind, especially for those who enjoy hiking, camping, or traveling to remote areas. It's yet another example of how Samsung is pushing the envelope in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, powerful performance, and significant camera upgrades, the Galaxy S25 Ultra continues Samsung's tradition of delivering cutting-edge technology. From the enhanced ultra-wide sensor to the new satellite communication feature, this phone is built to impress. Whether you're a content creator, a tech enthusiast, or simply looking for a reliable premium smartphone, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has a lot to offer.